are on our way from Paso Robles, where we spent the last 10 days at a Sun Outdoors RV park, and we are on our way to Coos Bay, Oregon. But it is like a 13-ish hour drive, so we're breaking up our drive and stopping in places along the way. Tonight we are stopping in San Francisco.
The goal is to try and stay underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. So we used the app iOverlander. I saw that there was a spot there where it's like a rest stop with a washroom and like water fountain and some spots for people to park at. So that's where we're headed. I have no idea what to expect when we get there.
And to put things into a little context for you, we are not in Luna right now. Luna is in Canada, we are in the US. We came here after spending 3 months in Costa Rica, and we have been working with Sun RV. We're going to be working with them for the whole, or actually now they're Sun Outdoors, but we're going to be working with them for the entire year, and part of our partnership is going to all their amazing Sun Outdoor resorts, RV resorts around the US. We're doing part of the trip right now, and then going back home, getting Luna out of storage, driving back to the States, and continuing our road trip. But for now, we are in a rented RV we've been in it for the last 2 weeks, and we have another 2 weeks in it. So a month in total, and it has been awesome. Wow, guys.
We're gonna white color as a fish. It's got long teeth. Got tails.
Beautiful.
To the Golden Gate Bridge. We're going to be spending the night here. It is totally legal to park here overnight, just for one night. You can't stay sleeping in your vehicle more than 8 hours. Well, we're going to see how it goes. It is super windy. So we came out, we got our photos, but it is way too windy to be out here. So I'm going to head back in to the safety of our home. Whoa!
Opening up a fridge has never been so risky.
Open up.
After driving for like 4 hours. Okay. I was about to speak too soon.
We're good.
Nothing broke.
The sweet thing about this RV is that a lot of it is propane. So the cooktop is propane. The fridge can be run off electrical or propane so that we can continue to cook and cool our food and basically live in here comfortably for a few days without needing to be plugged in again. We have a fresh water tank that is full. I filled it before we left this morning, and we have an electric water pump so that it pumps water through all our faucets and our shower. Our hot water is heated by propane so that we can have a hot shower tonight if we want. So we're pretty well set. Like, I think we'll be comfortable for like a few days not being plugged in. But our floor will be covered in Legos. Keep yourself entertained, little one. My only concern about tonight is that we won't have heat. So it's pretty windy outside and temperatures will drop. It's going to be a little chilly in here. So we might have to snuggle up. Dancy, 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 snuggle time. Dancy, dancy, snuggle time. Yeah. What's for dinner?
I was gonna make a salad, so like tomatoes, avocado, olives,
No,
sauerkraut. Oh, you want pickles? Okay, pickles. Yeah, and olive oil, or apple cider vinegar, maybe some chip and cashew cheese.
Nice.
Yeah, a little simple. Keep it light.
I'm so excited.
You're so excited?
And there's olive in it, and tomato in it, and avocado, and onion.
Uh-huh. And how about, what's this other stuff in here? One of your favorites.
Yeah.
Sauerkraut.
Some of the reviews of this place was that it can be loud at night because we're right beside the highway. We're right beside the 101, which is beautiful because we get a view of the Golden Gate Bridge and sunset and everything. But you can hear cars. I can hear cars right now. At night, it should die down, but it'll pick back up at like 5 a.m. and it'll be noisy again.
Luckily, we have Kai's sound machine. It sounds like we're in the rainforest, so.
Oh yeah,
You can put that.
that's true.
Yeah.
Another thing I read was there were some break-ins and some theft that happened here. I guess because it is like, you know, just a parking lot in a pretty busy area, that some people have had their things broken into. They've seen cars with smashed windows. I mean, I think we're gonna be okay in the RV, because obviously, like, who's leaving their car here and just like leaving it and not being in there? So I don't think that we're gonna have a problem here.
Go, Kai. Go, Kai.
Good morning from next to the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah. It was a cold, well, it was cold in the air, but we were nice and cozy in our bed. Night, everyone slept pretty good, and
Yeah,
it was free.
it
to
was
stay
free.
here.
Yeah, it's
We have
super
a
nice.
Crazy view.
Hey, Daddy, you put this on me?
Sure. Kai, did you have a good sleep?
Not really.
Not really?
This is a little bit.
You had a little bit of a good sleep?
Well, my Legos are falling. And there go. What?
That's more important,
What?
is that Legos are...
All my stuff is falling.
Clean up, clean up.
Come on, Diego. You need to pick up my stuff. My stuff is really falling.
Diego
It's
is taking... Oh, you're Diego.
I'm Diego.
I thought I was Diego.
No, you're Boots.
Oh,
We've
I'm a monkey.
Swapped. We've swapped. I used to be Boots.
okay. We're all characters of the show Dora the Explorer.
Are you gonna make coffee this morning?
Sure.
It's on camera, so.
No.
I'm making some steel cut oats with mashed banana in it, and coffee with berries on top. Well, not berries on top of the coffee, but the oatmeal. And it's nice to have a propane stove because we can use it when we're not plugged in, which in our Airstream, that's not the case. You have to be plugged in because it's electricity. So this is actually pretty sweet. We might have to change things up a little bit because it is nice to be able to like be off grid, you know, and still be able to cook
Totally.
on the stove.
It's my first time seeing San Francisco, and this bridge is just so iconic. I'm really seeing the advantages to traveling in a small vehicle like this. A little, you know, Class C motorhome, a little RV, a van, people that are doing van life. Because in our Airstream, we would not be able to do this. We're in one parking spot right now. And our Airstream and our truck take up 7 parking spots. Like, it's just massive. Our Airstream is 31 feet, and then our truck is probably like another 15, 20 feet. So you just couldn't do this. I love this. We're just having a casual breakfast while tons of people are outside.
We have quite the view. We're having breakfast with a view, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And we're warm.
Thank you for making the coffee.
Okay. No problem.
You tasked me with the job, but swiftly took over the stove.
That's okay, you've been filming.
Yeah.
So, balance.
Kai, did you plate this for us?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
What did you put on it?
Honey and peanut butter and this.
Those are chia seeds.
Say chia seeds.
Chia seeds.
Chia.
And you did it all by yourself. I didn't help. Kai did it, and it's beautiful. Look how artistic it looks. You did such a good job. I do like having the RV. Like, I like being in the vehicle that we're driving, and like it's also our home, and I don't know, it feels different.
I make it pink.
It just feels like we can kind of like be anywhere and like no one really gives us a second glance or cares that we're here. We don't take up a lot of room. So I feel like it's like, it kind of opens the world a little bit more in a sense, you know? And just, I don't know. It just has a different feel to it, and I'm liking it.
Yeah. And
obviously, I would renovate this place. If it was mine. It would not look like this.
Our Airstream is really flashy. Like it's aluminum. It's like a silver color. It's shiny.
Oh, I like it, Mom.
It's retro. It's interesting looking. It's like a spaceship.
Yes, look.
And that's part of why we love it. And I've noticed when we're in this, we're not getting the thumbs up that we see from like strangers, and we're not getting the looks that we get from strangers. Because people love it. People love the Airstream. They love seeing it, especially one as old as ours, like 40 years old, still on the road. With this, we're not getting any looks, so you can kind of roll anonymously.
And we have hit the road again. California coast, here we come. Hopefully your volume wasn't all the way up for that.
We didn't realize that the mother had just given birth. Like the sack is still coming out. The baby is like not even barely walking. Spent my life exploring different forests and different jungles, and I have never seen anything like this place.